So this is another setup just to test if the power adapter is a problem. So I hooked it up in GE100, which I borrowed from my friend. Then I turn on the amp. So it has a continuous sound. So the LED top is blinking. So there's no problem with the AC adapter. Okay, so if again I switch to the new GE150. So again, you will hear this fluctuating sound. See, fluctuating sound. So that's the issue. This one from my friend, I borrowed it. My guitar sound is continuous, and then this one, the new GE150, the guitar sound is fluctuating.